Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. I do hope you're all having a fantastic 2021 so far anyway. Now look, this app is made by the same developers as Mania. The app is called Knock Balls Mania, okay? Straight off the bat, we have been given $17.77. Now, if you guys have been following along with my videos, you all know when an app gives you that much money, literally for turning on the app, then you know it's a scam, okay? So I highly suspect this app is legitimately a scam as well. It has the whole bonus puzzle prize section here. Look at this, guys. Apparently we can win an iPhone 12 Pro, an iPad Pro, and Power Beats Pro. Okay then, dude. I'm sure I'm going to get that from some basic as all hell app. Oh my god. Looks, oh, I've got a makeup kit as well. Watch an ad. Okay, so as you can see, it's the exact same routine as all the other apps we follow along during our journey on my videos, okay? So essentially, it looks like it has the fake puzzle situation going on, and not only that, I cannot wait to see the cash out values, okay? So we're about to check out the cash out values now. Get ready for this. 5 million coins equals $2. Okay, so I only have one coin right now. $200 I can cash out for. I need $181 more dollars, okay? Amazon gift cards, $200 as well. Right, I'm sure people are going to grind for that long, bro. I don't know what the developers are thinking. I don't know how people think these apps are real. I really don't. Guys, let me just tell you a little secret here, okay? These apps are literally the biggest scam known to mankind. Hang on, just clicked on this here. Let's see where this takes us. A lucky wheel. Okay, this is a lucky wheel full of ads on it as well. Hilarious. I'm getting out of this. The whole site just looks like a virus, bro. But the spinning wheel in the app itself. So we also have another spinning wheel. I can watch an ad here to spin the wheel. No, thank you. Let's keep playing here, shall we? So, a very straightforward app. Very simple app. Guys, this app is being destroyed on the Google reviews right now. So, if it's any, like, you know, consolation there. Is that the word for a consolation? If it's any mind over matter or whatever, this app is being destroyed, okay? So everyone thinks that this app is a scam. It even has a lucky scratch system. Really? Bro, these developers don't even care anymore, do they? They don't even care. Like, honestly, it's a sad time. I mean, it's 2021. We still have apps that are literally trying to trick people into playing them just to watch advertisements, okay? So just remember, we do have limited balls that we can shoot out of our cannon here as well. Bottom left corner of the screen, you can actually see that we do have ammunition there, okay? I don't think we're just going to be able to constantly shoot non-stop, because that is not the case. Let's take out this building's foundation. There we go. Beautiful. What's that mean? Bloom. Okay, I just used a bloom. It looked like it was a bomb of sorts. Right, no, I don't want any puzzle pieces for makeup. Jesus Christ. Okay, so it plays an ad anyway. Really? Really, bro? Come on. I cannot stand when apps do that. By the way, everyone, drop a comment telling me what you think of Knock Balls Mania. I guarantee you guys think this is a scam as well. There's no way that you guys think this is real. Surely not. Here we go. What do we want here? Ooh, 4 of them. Nice. I got 400 currency. Excellent. All I need is literally 4,900,999. I need an endless amount of coins still to cash out. So, guys, we are on our way to a cash out, okay? Hey, look, unlimited balls. Nice. And that got me $3. Cool. I can watch an ad to double that. No, thank you. This plays an ad, I want to get so mad, bro. I'm rating it 1 star because I know this is fake. 100%. Acquisition. Juicer. I can get... Oh my god, it's a puzzle piece for a juicer. Okay, so I can get 40 balls and spend $8 in-game. Okay, it played an ad anyway. Dude, it played an ad. It said I can either watch an ad to get the balls or just pay for it. So I use my money and it still plays an ad for me. Seriously, terrible design. And just clearly trying to milk as many advertisements as they can out of the player. Sad, sad time, bro. We're trying to destroy it anyway. It's a very basic app as well. MacBook Pro. Yeah, okay. MacBook Pro, 5 pieces of the puzzle. No, thank you. Let's keep going. I'm almost out of balls again, by the way. Oh, unlimited balls. Yay. Okay. Just makes it a bit more fun. Can we stay on this forever? That'd be nice. Look at all this cash I'm getting, everyone. How good. Literally got $2 so far out of this. Booyah. We're going to be rich soon, guys. I don't have to do YouTube anymore. I don't have to do anything. Congratulations. 5 coins, $7. Get. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Just take my advice, everyone. Be careful when you play apps like these, okay? Because all they're going to do is try and get you to literally milk advertisements for them over and over again. Let's use this bloom. Acquisition, get. $10, no thanks. But it says 25. Why am I playing ad? Why does it play an ad? Oh my god, how annoying, dude. Holy hell. Like, I'm all for ads, okay? I have ads on my YouTube videos, okay? But these guys are playing ads at any opportunity they can get. Literally any opportunity. There's no spacing of ads. It's just, these apps are so generic and easy to see through. Do you know what's funny? So many of you guys are catching on to these are scams now, okay? So I love that. I love that you guys are waking up and realizing these apps are jokes. That's why a lot of you guys watch my videos. And I'm happy. I'm very happy for that, okay? So thank you so much, everyone. Please keep watching. I'm doing a service for you guys. I'm trying to show you these apps are pathetically bad. And they're all just set up to scam you all. So yeah, that's it. I'm pretty much capped out already. There's not much else I can do here, guys. What would you do right now? Do you really think you're going to grind to 5 million coins for an Amazon gift card? Like, realistically here, who is actually going to go through all that trouble to try and grind it up, man? You know what I mean? If you look at the puzzle pieces as well. Oh, look, you even got more prizes. MacBook Pro. We have the facial essence, electronic scale. I love how they add the juicer in the back there as well. But they throw the iPhone 12 Pro iPad out the front there. Developers, you need to try harder to scam people, my friends. Definitely. Doesn't matter how big your advertising campaign is. There's another ad as well. Alright, everyone, well, look, I'm going to wrap it up here. I cannot stand when apps do this, okay? And I mean, like, force ads down your throat, especially for other scam apps. Catch you all around, everyone. Stay safe. See you later.